Hello everyone, this is Latish. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to generate monthly income by investing in Sharia-based investments which are available through mutual funds. So in this video, I will cover about the Tata Ethical Fund which is available in the market, the kind of returns it has given in the past for 5, 10, 15 and 20 years, and how you can utilize the Systematic Withdrawal Plan to generate monthly income for yourself. I will also share with you different plans which we have like the SIP or lump sum, and what kind of plans you can go ahead for if you're looking to have a monthly income. Before we begin this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Latish and I help with managing portfolios through investing in mutual funds. Also, if you're looking for help in terms of starting your journey in mutual funds investing through ethical funds or any other type of funds, please do reach out to me at the number which is displayed on the screen right now. You can also contact me through the WhatsApp number which is mentioned in the description. So let me take you to my screen and explain to you how the monthly income plan can be set up and what kind of monthly income can be generated through these plans. So here you can see in the screen the Tata Ethical Fund. To give a brief about this fund, the total fund size is 3,200 crores. It has given some great returns in the past. The benchmark used is Nifty 500 Sharia TRI. The fund age is 28 years and 6 months. As you would know, this fund follows a principle of investing in only stocks which are based on Sharia. Here you can see the holdings of this Tata Ethical Fund and also what kind of performance it has given in the last 1, 3 and 5 years. We will do a deep dive into this and also to understand what kind of returns this has generated. So let's first look at what kind of SIP returns this fund has given. I have also included the other ethical fund which is there in the market, which is the Taurus Ethical Fund. So here you can see Tata Ethical Fund which was launched in 1996 with an AUM of 3,200 crores. If you had invested 10,000 rupees in the past 10, 15, 20 years, these are the three periods which I have taken. For 10 years, you would have totally invested 12 lakhs. The current value of that would be 26.9 lakhs. So your XIRR returns is 15.68%. For investment of 15 years, your total investment is 18 lakhs. The current value would be 61.28 lakhs and the XIRR is 15.05. And finally, if you had invested for the last 20 years, your total investment would be 24 lakhs and the current value is 1.27. And you can see the overall returns has been 14.73%. So with this, you can clearly understand the returns have been more or less above 14% in the past 10, 15 and 20 years. Similarly, the returns of Taurus Ethical Fund has also been in the same range between 15 to 16% as you can see for 10 and 15 years. So this gives you a brief understanding of what kind of SIP returns this fund has generated. Now let's get into the actual SWP plan and how it can be implemented. So in this plan, what you can see here is I have combined the SIP and SWP. So this would be specifically for someone who is currently looking to invest in these funds over a period of 10 to 30 years and get an SWP plan in the future. So let's take an example of 10,000 rupees of investment for 10 years. You can get an SWP of 30,000 rupees for the next 10 years. So to give you a breakup, your monthly SIP would be 10%. SIP tenure I have taken is 10 years. The assumed annual return I have taken is 14%, which is at the lower end of the 10, 15 and 20 years of returns which we have seen for Tata Ethical Fund. So the total amount invested is what you see here and the value of the SIP after the 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 years can be seen here. The next part is the SWP. So as I've mentioned, if you invest 10,000 rupees for 10 years, after 10 years, you can get 30,000 rupees for the next 20 years. And this can be through the SWP plan. And after 20 years of payment of this 30,000, you will still be left out with 7.83 lakhs. Now specifically focusing on 20 years, if you do a SIP of 10,000 rupees for 20 years, your overall amount invested would be 24 lakhs and at the end of 20 years, the SIP value would be 1.3 crores. From there on, you can do a SWP plan of 1.52 lakhs per month for the next 20 years. And after 20 years, you will be ending up with 18.14 lakhs as a lump sum in your account. And similarly, you can see the other plans of 25 and 30 years. To give you a summary of what I just explained, monthly SIP of 20 years of 10,000 rupees, total investment is 24 lakhs, monthly SWP which you can expect for 20 years is 1.52 lakhs, SWP period is 20 years. So your overall return in terms of The SWP withdrawals and the value is 3.84 lakhs. These are just examples of how you can build a SWP plan. If you're someone who's looking for help in terms of having a monthly income plan set up, please do reach out to me at the number mentioned, or also you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Currently, I do manage a lot of clients who are in the SWP plan, both for SIP and also lump sum, which I'll also be discussing as we go ahead. So here is a plan of lump sum. This would be specifically for someone who is about to retire or who's already retired and looking for a monthly income through Sharia based investments only. So in this example, I've taken 25 lakhs as the initial investments. The SWP period, which is the payout, will be done for 20 years. And we are looking for an end of balance after 20 years of 50 lakh rupees. I've taken two scenarios, one at 12% and the other at 14%. If you go by 12%, the monthly SWP we can expect is 20,978 for 20 years. And with a scenario of 14%, you can expect a monthly SWP of 25,293. So this is the monthly SWP amount, which will hit your bank if you do go ahead with a 25 lakh for 20 years. Now another example which I've taken here is for 40 lakhs for 20 years. This is the 40 lakhs is a lump sum amount, and SWP at the end of 20 years, you are expecting the same 40 lakhs to be remaining in the mutual fund account. Then you can expect a monthly SWP amount of 37,955 for 12% return and 43,915 for 14% return. So the best way to do this is you can set an amount which you are looking to get for a monthly amount, and based on that we can come up with the lump sum amount which you will need to invest in. To create such plans, you can always reach out to me and I would help you with on how to create the lump sum amount which you will need to invest, and also create the SWP plan which will be paid out to you. As you can see here, at the end of tenure of 20 years, you will have 40 lakhs in your account. Now finally, we'll also look at the actual returns the Tata Ethical Fund has given over the past 10 years. So here is a systematic withdrawal plan which I have done for Tata Ethical Fund from December 2014 till December 2024, which is this month. So this is an overall period of 10 years. If you had invested 25 lakhs in 2014 December and expected a withdrawal of 25,000 every month, the current value of that fund would still be remaining at 15.91 lakhs. So that means you would have got paid 25,000 for the last 10 years every month, and end of the 10 years, which is as of this month, you will still be left out with the amount which I have mentioned, which is 15.91 lakhs. So this is the magic of SWP. If you do plan it properly, both with SIP and lump sum, you would get a good monthly income which will be Sharia based, as well as you will also end up with a good sum amount in your account if you're looking to leave something for your kids. Another example which I've shown here is for the same amount of 25 lakhs of 25,000 withdrawal, but you have invested only 5 years back. So you can see here from December 2019 till December 2024, if you had invested 25 lakhs and withdrawn 25,000 every month, you can see here the current value of it is 38.68. That is because of the last 5 years, the returns have been great for the Tata Ethical Fund, which has ensured that your current value of that fund has increased than what you have invested, which is 25 lakhs, on top of every month 25,000 which you have withdrawn. So if you're someone who is looking to invest and get a monthly income over a longer period of time, these are some of the options which are there currently in the market. So like I've shared in this video, it's very important that you plan with SIP or lump sum if you're looking for a monthly income plans, and if you're looking for help in terms of creating such plans and also investing in Tata Ethical Fund or any other ethical fund, please do reach out to me. Hope you like this video. If you did, please share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.